Hello everyone. So next I wanted to show you how to navigate YouTube Studio a little bit more and how to view and interpret the analytics on your YouTube channel. And as I discussed in my Flipgrid presentation, these analytics can be helpful for measuring student engagement and seeing where to revise, course correct it, or keep doing what you're doing when making YouTube videos in order to optimize student engagement and able to see what's working and what's not working. So if we start there by going to analytics, what you'll see when you first click on that is an overview of the channel page. So there's the amount of subscriber, there's the amount of views in the last 48 hours, there's the amount of views for the month, there's the amount of watch time, how many subscribers you lost or gained. Another helpful feature available for all points of data within the analytics is if you hover over it, it'll tell you what that particular category is referencing, how it defines it within these YouTube analytics. So that's overall for the channel, but what's more helpful in this context is if you if you click on a particular video, a particular educational tool. For example, this is a summary and analysis of a short story. It'll give you the particular data analytics for that particular video. So in this overview, you have views, watch time, the amount of subscribers it gave you, and if it was monetized, the amount of revenues it's earned you. You can see audience retention, real-time activity, likes versus dislikes. So that's the overview page. You can also see the reach. If your video is public and even if it's private, you can see how people are accessing this particular educational YouTube resource. So in this case, if you look at the traffic source, you can see from within the YouTube ecosystem where the views from within YouTube are coming from. So primarily YouTube search. Additionally, you can see where externally people are accessing your video, whether it be a Google search, or you can see the second most is someone linking it to blackboard.com. Then otherwise you can look at engagement and this will show you how long people are watching it, how long the average view duration is. So in this case, for this video, they get through about the halfway mark at the 4 minutes and 59 seconds. You can see likes versus dislikes. And otherwise, you can also look at the audience to see the demographics of the particular video viewers. So here we can see watch time from subscribers. As you can see, most of the people watching this video are not subscribed to my channel. And you can see the ages and gender breakdown, the age breakdown, the top countries breakdown, and the primary subtitles that are being used. In this case, only 21.4% of the viewers are using the posted subtitles. And as you can see, you can add subtitles to particular videos on your channel by going to that subtitles tab and uploading or typing in the script for the YouTube video. So lastly, there's a revenue tab, but this channel isn't monetized. So as you can see, there is no estimated revenue. Otherwise, if we go back to YouTube Studio, you can see the different features of it. So here we have our dashboards. Like I mentioned in the last one, this square right here shows the metrics and summary of the latest video. So for an example, I uploaded that podcast assignment we had as a YouTube video. 7 ways to prepare for next semester. And additionally, when you go to videos, that's where all your videos will be hosted. You can create playlists. You can search through your comments and see ones you haven't responded to. Again, like I said, you can go to your subtitles tab and add subtitles for particular videos. If you want to monetize a channel, the YouTube current requirements are at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time a year. There's also an audio library for free music that you can use within your videos that is not copyrighted and is for free use. So those are just kind of the basic functions of YouTube Studios and the basic functions of how to interpret and look at the analytics in order to consider the level of engagement your students are having with your YouTube educational resources. So thank you all for listening and wishing you all a good rest of the day.